Good day, grade 10s. Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how tsunamis form. So your lesson objectives are explain what a tsunami is and discuss how they occur. Let's have a look at the definition for tsunami. A tsunami is a big ocean wave that is created by a strong earthquake, a volcano, an undersea slump, or a large meteorite that has hit the sea or nearby the land. So what does it look like? We're all familiar with what it looks like. It's the giant wave. It's a massive, massive wave that can cause heavy destruction. So how do they occur? Initially, we first have an undersea earthquake. So as the earthquake occurs, it then releases a lot of ocean at the bottom of the ocean floor. The ocean then rises and falls. Due to that release of energy, the wave causes the sea level to rise. Now, the closer the wave gets to the shoreline, the shallower the shoreline is. And because the shoreline is shallower, it means that the wave increases in height as we get closer to the shore. So near land, the tsunami waves slows down and it builds in height. So in other words, it gets taller. The sea first draw back. So in other words, we have this backward movement, almost like a low tide. And then it creates a big wave that speeds towards the land. So let's quickly have a look at a video as to how this actually occurs. So what you will notice is the earthquake occurs. It releases a lot of energy causing the wave, and then as it moves towards the shore, it gets taller and crashes.